Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to paint this tote bag. Here I had done already white color to make a base on it. So here I am using Fevicryl acrylic colors, which basically we all use to paint a fabric. So here our sunflower is completed. Now we will paint this bee. So in this painting I am using the basic colors only. Oh my god, my bee is looking so cute. So here our bee is also completed. So guys, if you like my video then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and be healthy and take care of yourself, but be happy with the beautiful things that make you you. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.